Now, how is it all built up? This is the lowest library we have. That's the open source ADK, on top of which we have built the SIF Common Framework, which you guys have worked with and know reasonably well now. That is nothing new. It's just built on top of it and implements a few of those hooks you have implemented yourself over the last few days, and has overwritten some of the methods to go to the application and all this. So if you have written an agent before with the SIF Common Framework and want to move to the SBP framework, you don't really change much code at all. You go in, you implement another base class instead, and bang, there you are. The same methods you have implemented before are still there. There is maybe one additional method you have to implement, which tests your system to see, is that object in my system or not? And you return true, false. Yeah, I've got it. That means you don't have to cache the enrollment because you have everything resolved. Otherwise, we'll cache it for you. So, otherwise, the methods has remained the same. So it's really, really easy for you if you have an agent already implemented to go to the next level. And you guys will most likely work with that because it has a lot in there for you. And when you want to integrate with another system, and you know that adheres to the SBP thing, you know what you're going to get. You know what you're dealing with. And you see how that works with the abstraction level, goes higher and higher, and functionality too. You've seen that picture before. Not much has changed, really. You still have your SISs, you've got the AAO layer, you've got the SIF Common Framework. It's just that thing in the light blue sits in between of those things, but it's completely transparent to you. You never go and ask anything in your code for a cache, or is that in the cache or is it not? You will never see it, you just know it's there and it will work. So that's new, transparent to you, but you still have these things like you've done all these days. Nothing has changed. It's really so easy to go from one framework to the other. And the reason is, yeah, it's built on top of the SIF Common.